Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about engagement and acquisition. During this chapter, there was a lot of things to really talk about and read. So really, what acquisition itself is about is reports that show you how people are actually looking to find your website. This is actually pretty helpful due to the fact that it allows you to understand the marketing channels and how it's performing and whatnot. Not only that, you understand channels that are driving most numbers of people to your website, so you kind of understand what's bringing people to your website. Just aside from that, there was a lot of information in this chapter to really go over. So, such as like the terminology, you should definitely know referral, organic, CPC, and direct. With referral, there are links on other websites that are sending traffic to your website. So this is pretty much another way of getting people towards your website. Organic, this is how people are finding your website by clicking on free or any results in search engines like Google or Yahoo. The CPC is cost per click. This probably deals more with your Google ads and what you're making from it. Aside from that, there's the last terminology is direct, which this is just more of if the person knows your URL, they'll put it into the browser themselves, type it up, and or through email clients, stuff like that too. And they'll redirect to your website. Moving on, talking a little bit about the overview and the channels. So the overview report allows you to analyze the inbound marketing at a really high level, which enables you to have a better understanding of performance. Afterwards, this is just a little more information about it, going on about organic searching and whatnot, um, seeing results in conversations. You can use like it says right here, you can use information to prioritize your initiatives. Um, Aside from that, you get default channels, and there's actually a lot that it's included: direct, organic search, social, email, referral, etc. Going on after that, there's a lot of information again. So this is something that I thought was pretty important to kind of note out. So this kind of is almost an activity like that you can do yourself, which it tells you it's almost step by step of what to do. Like right here, it tells you define a new channel. It's telling you to click this so you can make a new channel, um, and it kind of helps you sort out your results and searches. It goes a little more in depth, talking about the channels itself. Tells you like examples, like if you click referral, it gives you a lot of reports showing top level domains that are being sent to your website. You can do social channel as well. There's also tree maps. This is more of a visualization of different channels people are using to find your website. So this is a really helpful thing to look at. Afterwards, we just get a little more into referrals, the report itself, and what it actually is. This was a good read if you really want to learn more about referrals itself. Moving on, there's up again. This is the Google Ads report. Really, this is I think one of the very more important ones because this is just solely dedicated to your Google Ads and your campaigns and how do you analyze it. Um, this will definitely help you for future campaigns or Google Ads that you're going to be running on your website to better improve on what you want. And we're just going a little more about the bounce rate, uh, and then tree maps again. So this is the second time tree maps has appeared. Like I said, this is really important too because this gives you a better visualization on your data itself. Here it's talking about visualization on your campaign data, which is really helpful for you because you want to see that data in order to make sure your campaign is going good. Here with the bounce rate, it's really to help compare your bounce rate to your overall website averages. So we're just gonna go skip a little bit more ahead. So things such as here, search engine optimization, or CEO for short, is really good because this is integration with the Google Search Console itself. Um, it allows users to kind of access extra data about how your website is performing within the Google search results itself. And here are some really good key points that you really should look at. Impression shows you the number. This is really nice because it's pretty much the times your website are being displayed in results when people search it up. So that's a really good way to gather data. The clicks are the number of times, which is pretty much people who are clicking to your website from that search engine that they're using. And then there's average position, which tells you an average about how many people are going through or seeing your website through the research or the search results. So when people are typing up whatever they're looking for and they see your website, there's one data for you to go.